Good morning, everybody. So today I'm bringing you another grocery haul. If you haven't come across my channel before, welcome. My name is Amanda. I do grocery hauls, I do recipes, I do cook with me, do videos about motherhood and my journey through motherhood. So if you want to see more of that, click the subscribe button. But yes, today is a grocery haul for the three of us, almost four, due in December. So this is our weekly grocery haul. I find it easier just going to the shops every week. Just also with like the amount of storage we have in our kitchen and all that sort of stuff. I would love to do like a bit more of a bulkier haul, like a bulkier, bigger of a bulkier shop, but it just doesn't work for us purely because of the amount of space that we have to store everything. So that being said, I will show you what I brought for this week. So first thing is these Smith's chips. My son's already opened them and started attacking them. But yeah, they're very popular in our house. Bread for 3 liters of milk. We go through so much milk in our house. Lasagna for dinner one night. We've got ham and bacon. We love to do bacon and eggs and hash browns on a Sunday morning. So that'll be breakfast on Sunday. And then ham just to snack on. This is another quick, easy dinner for the week. We've got these down here. This is actually to go on a recipe that I will be doing this week. So if you want me to do a video on that recipe, it's going to be a slow cooked butter chicken. So if you'd like to see the recipe on that, let me know in the comments and I will post the recipe for that. Frozen raspberries, frozen strawberries and frozen blueberries. My son is obsessed with these. He loves them. He's also obsessed with these as well, the smoothie melts, absolutely loves them. And these don't have any added sugar in them too, so it's literally just strawberries and bananas. That's it.
Mama.
Yes, buddy. Oh, thank you. You don't want any more?
No.
Okay. So we've got some lemonade, cans, some juice. My son's also there he is there. We've got some juice. He's also got into that already too. Apple juice, cordial. I take this to work with me, just to have at work as an alternative to just plain water. Because I don't know about you, but I'm one of those people that I find it really difficult to only just drink water all the time. I feel like I'll happily drink water. Facial tissues, buddy. I'll happily drink water, but I just find it gets very boring after a while. So like if I get to the point where I feel like I need something else in it, I'll put a little bit of that in it. So this is the caffeine and sugar-free Coke. I usually like to have a glass of this with my dinner. This?
Yeah, what's that?
These are Band-Aids, kids' Band-Aids.
My Band-Aid?
Yeah, for you.
I have
You want to look at them? Here you go. Sorry, he's just discovered all the shopping here. So vanilla Coke, my husband likes to have that with his dinner. Chocolate milk. I've had a bit of a craving for chocolate milk this pregnancy and I've been absolutely loving it.
I have more some of that.
You can have some of that too soon, buddy. Chocolate cake. We're going to do some baking. Pancakes, same thing. We'll have pancakes for breakfast one that day this week. Fabric softener, facial tissues, decaffeinated tea, raspberry flavoured jelly, Nutella, thickened cream, and so this is going to go in our dinner for tonight. So tonight I'm making creamy chive chicken with veggies, and it's one of our favourite recipes. It's so good. So if you'd like the recipe for that one too, let me know in the comments and I will post that one as well. Coconut cream is to go in my slow cooked butter chicken this week. Got dental treats for our doggy. Chicken Kievs just for an easy dinner. Lolly. This is, I find really good for lunch. Chicken to go on our chicken tonight. Chicken to go on our butter chicken. Where are we? Got yogurts down here. So we got Yogos, big tub of strawberry yogurt and 2 of the little squeezy strawberry yogurts. Got 4 oranges. I thought I ordered 4 bananas, but turned out I only actually ordered 1 banana. So they've just given me 1 little lonely banana. So we'll have to go get some more bananas because 1 is not going to be enough. The cotton buds for when baby comes. So I'm slowly stocking up on like bathroom stuff for baby. Essential oils. I love these air fresheners, and I love like we've got the plug-in. So these are the plug-in ones. Love these. I have this thing about I love to have a nice, clean, fresh smelling home. So these are really good for that. And then we got 2 of these bottle teats. My son does still have a milk bottle for bed.
This is for my birthday.
Your birthday's not for another 5 months, buddy.
Yeah. This one is going to be for my birthday.
Yes, so we will slowly wean him off the bottles soon, but he's not quite ready just yet. So that is everything. Sorry, chips. That is everything for this week. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little grocery haul. If you have any other video ideas that you want to see, let me know in the comments below. And like I said, if you want to see those recipe videos, let me know in the comments below as well. One more thing, actually, before I say goodbye, I will tell you how much I spent this week. All right, so for this week, I spent $205.31 in total. That was a little bit over my budget. Normally, I like to stick to under $170 a week, but I have been doing flybys for the last 4 weeks. So if I spend over $170 for the last 4 weeks, I will get an extra 10,000 points. So that's what I have been doing. So that's why my groceries have been that little bit higher the last few weeks. But yeah, like I said, normally I do try and stick to 170 or under. So that is all from me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.